Beautiful love. In the year of Mayflower 400, 2020, this is Plymouth Classics, back in the Barbican. The historical quarter of Plymouth, where classic wooden boats sailed across the world to explore different countries.
What's your name?
Barbara Bridgman.
And you're on the liner?
Yes, I am on liner.
And you're from Italy originally?
Yes, I am 100% Italian.
So how did you get involved? Well, when did you come into the UK to start with?
I came to UK in 2001 for the Jubilee in Cowes.
Yes.
And I sailed a boat called Marigold, a beautiful camper in Nichols on 18.
I've recorded Marigold in the past,
yes.
actually.
And Skipper Jason, we became great friends with his family, and I worked on Marigold until I was then moved through the charity that Marigold belonged to the restoration of another boat, and I was just so keen in learning every aspect of traditional boat rigging. I stayed over, I met Dominic, and I'm still here 20 years later.
And that's how you got involved with the liner, is it?
Yes, we got involved with liner because we were living in Mashfords, and liner was abandoned there, and the lady who was the former owner didn't want it anymore and begged us to take her on as an ongoing concern.
Yes.
She was in pieces. We weren't very keen, but with a huge amount of community participation and support, we started the restoration. It was terribly hard work, but we managed to float the hull after 7 months of intense restoration. And after floating the hull, we moved to Millbrook, where we acquired new premises, and we have our own mooring opposite Southdown Marina, and continue working on the rig and deck and the interior, which was still to be done. Fundraising has always been a problem, so we would also use our trading income to improve the boat every winter, until we got to this year where unfortunately we had to cancel all our trading income on liner, and we are actually inviting people to support and donate for Liner's Winter's refit through our website and social media, because these historic boats, when they're so old and restored, they need to be kept up all the time. Unless we continue to improve and better the boat and leave her.
Pit, aren't they?
Yes, exactly. Although liner, she's a really good stage. You know, we have done lots of work in a traditional way, including lots of ventilation between the double skins, tons of rock soles and ballast to try and lower it down. We sail it, we look after it, we provide training and education through our land base at Kreml.
Yes.
So we do use the boat and invite community and the public to learn to sail with us and learn seamanship skills, so that we can. So
you teach people to sail as well, do you?
Yes, we're sailing instructors. Yes, by trade we started as sailing instructor, but conserving historic boats, it's also a very fascinating and intense, in-depth area.
So what's the furthest liner's been?
No, with us she hasn't been over Plymouth, beyond Plymouth Sound, because that's she's an inland waterways barge, so she was built to sail over the upper reaches of the river Tamar, Liner and Tiddy. So she's extremely shallow. She can sit on the mud quite happily, but she's got no keel and no grip in the water to be able to attempt seafaring. Although there's been 2 recorded voyages made on liner in the 1930s, one to Foy and one to Falmouth, in extremely calm conditions.
Yes.
Otherwise, we are licensed by the Plymouth Boat Council, so we stay within the Plymouth Sound and we explore the waterways, which are really unspoiled and beautiful after 100 years now of no trade on the water.
And what was the original cargo?
stone mainly. She was commissioned by Mr. Cox of Tydeford to carry produce and post from his shop in Tydeford to his shop in Devonport.
Yes.
So she started as a really community boat, community link, but then she soon went into the stone trade with a change of ownership, and she served Poldrisi Quarry, trading cargoes of Blue Elvan stone, which was very precious for the building of tarmac road and runways for RAF World War I planes. So she had a very hectic life. In fact, in World War II, she was also taken over by the Navy to act as a mooring for a barrage balloon in the Sound. So we are lucky that she wasn't bombed.
So it's a beautiful afternoon, a Sunday afternoon in Plymouth, and there's going to be acrobats on the boat?
Yes, we have our friends from the Rhine Peninsula, the Baba Yaga Circus for All, with Marta Trojanowska and her really talented group of teenagers, followed by the Black Friday Band, a Cornish folk music band of great talent we will see playing later this afternoon.
And how can people contact you?
They can contact me at tamarbarge.org.uk or follow our social medias at Liner of Kreml. And if you just put Liner, Lynher, on the media, on any Google search, it will come up first thing with our website and our contact details.
Thanks very much, and it's nice to have you back in Plymouth.
Thank you, Chris.
Take care, thank you very much.
can see. Black Friday. We're going to start with a little song called Chips and Chips. Hey! One, two, three, hey! Shine. that was the problem before. I think you little boxes. Check if it's not. Thank you. He was a player again.
Make me in a bowl
Thanks to everybody and the great people of Plymouth Classics 2020 and in the past. This has been a SummerTime TV International Subscribers Production 2020. You can contact me at ccsplitter1@gmail.com. Thanks for watching the video. Available for new projects.